Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make fish head broth. It's a surprisingly simple and rewarding process that turns often overlooked ingredients into a culinary treasure. We'll go through each step, from selecting the best fish heads to simmering them with aromatic vegetables. You'll learn to create a rich, flavorful broth that's perfect for soups, sauces, or simply sipping on its own. To begin, you'll need about 2 to 4 pounds of fresh fish heads, ideally from white-fleshed fish like snapper or cod. It's crucial to remove the gills as they can impart a bitter taste. Next, prepare your aromatics: 1 medium onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks, roughly chopped. Don't forget a few sprigs of fresh parsley, a teaspoon of thyme, and 1 or 2 bay leaves to enhance the flavor. Start by sautéing your chopped vegetables in about 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large pot for 5 minutes until softened. Then, add the cleaned fish heads, 4 cups of cold water, and your chosen herbs and seasonings. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, ensuring it doesn't boil vigorously. Cook for 20 to 30 minutes, regularly skimming any foam that rises to the surface for a clear broth. This homemade fish head broth offers fantastic health benefits, being an excellent source of collagen for healthy skin and joints. It also provides beneficial omega-3 fatty acids and essential minerals like iodine. Once strained, your flavorful broth is ready to use as a base for delicious soups, seafood stews, or delicate sauces. You can refrigerate it for up to 5 days or freeze it for up to 3 months for future culinary creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.